So you don't have any online skills. You have no budget. You have no money to start. And you have no websites or funnels, but still you want to make money online. Is it that possible? A big yes, it is possible. And I'm going to show you how you can do it in this video. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will go ahead and I will reply. So for you to achieve this without a website, without money to start, and with no skills, we're gonna use this very basic way to do it that works. We're gonna be selling a product. So we have a product right here, and then we have an audience. And this audience wants to buy this product. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna give the audience this product. Now, you may be asking, but I have no product. I have no product to promote, or I have no audience. I don't have a YouTube channel, or maybe I don't have a TikTok account. I don't have a place to sell the product. And so let's focus right now on the product. All right, so since you don't have a website, a funnel, you need a product to promote that has a good funnel, a good sales page, so that we can convert these people and make profit. Now, the website of my choice that I've choose is warriorplus.com. The reason I'm choosing this website is because I find it to be very easy to start for beginners, and it's amazing. Let me log in here into my account and show you dashboard. So just to show you that you can actually make money with this website, let me come here to my dashboard. So in the last 30 days, I've made $789 just to show you that is freaking possible. All right, this is warriorplus.com. Let's go back to the main screen. Once you register to this website, on top right here on affiliate, then you have right here, which is offers. And when you scroll down right here, what this will show is products that you can promote. Now, there's all kinds of products right here. For instance, this one product right here, which is the 60-second Traffic Pro, is one of the products that I promote. What I did is basically I saw that the conversion rate was 13%. It was high. It's traffic, so I know a lot of people want traffic, and so I went for this product. So what I did is I clicked this button right here, request, and then within a few minutes they approved. They give me this link. Let me click on it. So when I click here, get link, it will pop up. This is my affiliate link. And check it out. Let me click on it to show you. And here it is. It lands on the sales page, on the funnel. Everybody that buys this product, I am making a commission. Actually, this product pays recurring commissions. So not only am I making money once, but as people stay paying for the product, I make money every single month. Okay, so now this is the sales page. As you can see, a very professional sales page here. Really powerful sales page with testimonials, everything, right? And just ready. And that's my affiliate link, so I get the commissions. Okay, now let me go back. Now there's so many products here that you can check them out, and you can see here by you can see the conversion rate. You can see how many sales the products are making. But basically, the products that are here on top are the ones that get the most sales, right? And you can sort by score by sales. Like if you click here and score by sales, is gonna show you the products that are having the most sales. Okay, and so basically what you want to be doing is clicking the product to see if it fits what you want to promote, if it's a product that resonates with you and that you are comfortable promoting. So for example, this product right here, which is Thumbnail Blaster, let's click on it and see. Once we click on it, we can see the product, what it is, right? We can see the funnel map which is the product, like it has upsells and everything, right? We can see here the products, what it has, the pricing. So it's a 97 product, but then it has upsells for 197, 17, all these upsells. And as you can see here, you get 50% commission on all of these sales by sending people to this product, okay? So you can see here how much you can make. And you can actually click right here, view sales page, to see if it's a product that you would like to promote. So this is the product, decide if you want to go with it, right? Once you decide to go with this product, you click here to request approval, then you'd be approved, and then you'll grab your affiliate link and you're ready to promote. Now note that here's so many, all kinds of products and all kinds of niches that you can look for, and you can type here whatever niche you're going for. These are products that are proven to convert because they're making a lot of sales. They have great website sales funnels ready to promote, so you don't need no website, no skills to create the sales page or nothing. It's just there ready to promote, and most of these products pay about 50%. That's how you make the money. And then you can transfer this money into your bank account. You can go here to your wallet, and then once you start getting payments, then you can set your bank account, and then they will transfer money into your bank account. And by the way, I've chosen Warrior Plus because it's easy, it's user friendly, and also it works worldwide. You got the product from Warrior Plus right here, and we're gonna be sending traffic where I'm gonna show you two traffic methods. One is Craigslist, and the other one is Quora. This is where the most work you're gonna be doing is you're gonna actually spend, at least an hour a day focusing on one of these or both of these traffic sources to get as many clicks as you can to your link. This is a numbers game. So the very first way for you to get traffic, audience, people to buy the product is utilizing Craigslist.org. This website has millions and millions of users every day looking for jobs, looking for opportunities, and just looking for solutions for their life. This is awesome. By the way, Craigslist, they have it worldwide, so the opportunity, you can do this worldwide. But for example, let's go to USA right now. And so for this example, let's go to California, and then let's go to San Francisco Bay. So what you want to be doing is down here to resumes. This is people that are searching for a job. So what we're going to do is we're going to offer them a solution for them. Okay, so for instance, with Warrior Plus, if we choose a product that are teaching people a webinar that's teaching people, for example, how to make money online, it's a product that you can promote. And then you come here and, for example, these people that I'm looking for a career, not just a job. So this person, it's a good fit for what we are offering. Seeking a full-time sales work, another person, okay? So basically what we want to do is click on top of it, and this is a little bit about them. And what we want to do is click right here, this reply button, and we send them a message just like this. This is an example. Of course, you can change this for whatever you are promoting, but you could say something like this: hey, I saw your resume on Craigslist, and based on your experience, I think you'd be an awesome fit for this. You can do this work from home. You need a computer, desktop or laptop is fine, no mobile phones, and a stable internet connection. Please apply here and watch the training webinar as soon as possible to get further information on exactly how the work is done. And then you have your link that you grab from Warrior Plus, your affiliate link, you add it there. And then you can say, give yourself roughly 1 hour to watch the entire training as it explains the income opportunity in its entirely. So what you want to be doing is you want to be basically sending to loads of people that you see that are fit for what you are offering. So as you can see, if you scroll down, looking for a side work in my area, okay, this hard-working, quick learning professional, all kinds of people looking for jobs, and that's the strategy. Now, let me come here, come back to Craigslist. Now we are on the areas on San Francisco and California, okay? Another way you could do it, you can come here for computer gigs, and you could be posting, because you can post, right? On Craigslist, you have this thing right here which you can post, right? So you want to target gigs and computer gigs. Posting title, need a computer-based job you can do from home, seeking applicants. That would be the title you would add, okay? And here's an example of what you can be putting out. We are looking for a few home workers from, you put the area that you are in. In this case, we are in San Francisco. We put San Francisco. To have 4 to 10 extra hours per week to do online work. This is not for everyone. We prepared a presentation for you outlining the income opportunity. Please watch through it entirely before contacting us. Here is the link, and you add your affiliate link that you grabbed from Warrior Plus. Okay, you can stop the video and print screen this or type this down. This is a great example that you can utilize here. Okay, now note that we are in San Francisco area, but we can go for, let's go to for example, other area. Let's go to Modesto in California. And as we change, as you can see there, you can add it here as well. So basically you can add it worldwide, everywhere. So it's crazy the amount of opportunity and the amount of people that you can tap into with these strategies. Way number 2 is with Quora. Quora.com. This website right here is huge. Basically, this website is about questions and you giving the answers. There's all kinds of questions in this website and people are looking for answers. And also this website ranks really good on Google, so a lot of people visit this website. And what you want to be doing is looking for questions that the product that you are promoting solves. So for example, where to make money. Okay, we have question. What websites where I can make money? Okay, so this is one question that people have. Okay, and then we have 13 answers. So what you want to be doing is giving a really good answer on how to do it, and then you add your affiliate link that you grabbed from Warrior Plus and you add it to your answer. You want to add a very good answer with images explaining depending on what the product that you are talking about. So you want to be answering questions, and the more you do it, the more traffic you can send to your link, and this is a numbers game. You want to make sure that you are answering questions every day, okay, so that you can get as much traffic as you can. What you could do also is here, when you go to Google, you can ask the question here, whatever it is, and then, for example, how to make money online, and then how to make money online, and then you could put Quora. And as you can see, what's the easiest way to make money online? This question is ranking number 1 here for this keyword on Google. So what you want to do is this, for example, is a good place to answer because it's there's 100 answers. What you can do is you can even have more than one Quora account, and once you do an answer, you can vote for your answer so that your answer goes to the top, okay? Because this website gets so much traffic, and if you are able to write good answer, good content, and always add in your affiliate link, then this is a great way to tap into traffic. All right, there we go. This is a beginner friendly. If you're just starting out, this is great. And if you want more advanced stuff, if you want to learn the 7 steps to online domination, it's more of an advanced way to promote these products. And I'm going to leave a link below, which is the 7 steps to online domination. And in that training, I show you how to promote products more effectively, even in a better way. But you're going to need a website, and you need more stuff. Okay, so if you are into this and you want to learn the pro methods, then go to the link below in the description. I will leave it there. It's the 7 steps to online domination. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, turn it into blue. It was really a pleasure being here with you today, showing you this. I hope you like it. I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become unstoppable. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. It was a pleasure being with you here today. You're freaking amazing. I will see you next time. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna leave a couple of videos, 2 videos right after this video for other more advanced way to make money online. All right? Cheers and have a blessing day.